and today I have a very special gift from Dr. Squish, her squishy maker, and then her Amazon exclusive squishy maker. And I just cannot wait to unbox these. So let's get to unboxing. You can make small, medium, and large squishies, which I love. On this side, it just tells you like the DIY, decorations, reuses, and stuff like that. And now these are just some of the tags. And on the back, it just tells you what's inside of it. So let's actually get to unboxing. So here's the main machine, which is where you make the squishies. Those are the accessories, and that's the pump to place the squishies and so that you can inflate them. And I had so much fun pumping it. It was so fun. So there are so many accessories. I got glitters, I got twine, I got balloons, and I, of course, got the bulbs, which are the traditional use to make the squishies. They are super squishy. And this one I get 6 of the little squishy bulbs, which I really like. So now that is the twine. It is nice and gold. And then I have 3 balloons. 1 coral pink, 1 dark blue, and 1 dark green. And then I got different types of glitter, which I love. Glitter, glitter, glitter. Then I have the powder, which I believe you place in the squishies. And then I have 2 food colorings to color it and another balloon. And then I got little paper dots placed on it. I mean, in the squishies. So this is where you place the squishies in so that you can pump it. Those are to place it in, to secure it, and those are the clips to close the squishies. Here's my other squishy maker. It's the same thing, the tags. The side tells you what you can do with it, and then the back tells you what you can place inside it. So let's get into opening it. Same thing, this is the main squishy maker pump. I also had fun pumping this one. So the pump just goes up and down, which is pretty simple, but really fun. Then we have, like I said, where you place the squishies in, and then we have the clips for the squishies to close them off. Here's just a quick run-over of everything in the Amazon exclusive squishy maker. It is so cool. I cannot wait to play with it. Here's a quick run-over of the squishy maker that you can find everywhere, not just on Amazon.